Now, Mandy had a biomass boiler which lived in this shed, and she needed something that would work better for her lifestyle. We've replaced that with a tepeo heating system, which works with her existing infrastructure, with her existing radiators.
So I moved into this house in 2023 and I inherited a biomass boiler, which worked. It was a pretty good boiler. However, I soon realised that it required a lot of maintenance. It was not very practical for somebody of my height and age. And it was something that I wasn't going to be able to maintain ongoing. The installation that I have is a tepeo boiler that will provide my heating for me. And one of the big advantages of going down that route was not having to change all of my radiators. And I particularly didn't want to do that because some of my radiators are of a style that just would not suit an air source heat pump. So they would definitely have had to have been changed. And the tepeo solution seemed a lot less intrusive than an air source heat pump.